Hi, this is Brett Pikula from Magnum Research Fieldcraft, and today we'll be going over the assembly and disassembly of our California firing pin plate. Step 1, remove the magazine. Step 2, check your chamber to make sure your chambers are empty. Barrel release. Remove your barrel. Slide release. Remove your recoil springs and your gas piston. Using your 5-in-1 tool, depress the plunger on your California firing pin plate, and using a small punch, press your firing pin down. Then release the plunger on your recoil plate. This will cause the spring inside the plate to move over. Then put your safeties at half cock. Using your punch, press down on the firing pin again, and you'll feel it release. Then simply slide the firing pin plate back, and your firing pin plate will release. To reassemble, take your firing pin plate, slide it into the slot at the back of your slide, depress the spring, take your 5-in-1 tool, press down on the plunger on your recoil plate, flip up your safeties, and your recoil plate is reinstalled. To reassemble the slide, take your gas piston, place it into the front of the slide, your recoil springs, slide your slide back on your frame, insert the barrel lock, make sure the chamber is empty, insert your magazine, and that's how you disassemble and reassemble your California firing pin plate. If you have any more questions about your Desert Eagle or Magnum Research products, visit magnumresearch.com.